Are you looking to make money on TikTok? In this video, we'll show you some proven strategies for turning your TikTok account into a profitable venture. First, let's talk about the basics. To make money on TikTok, you need to have a sizable following and a consistent posting schedule. The more followers you have, the more potential you have to monetize your account. One way to make money on TikTok is through sponsored content. Brands will pay you to create a video promoting their products or services. To get sponsored deals, you'll need to have a sizable following and a good engagement rate. Another way to make money on TikTok is through affiliate marketing. This is where you promote a product or service and receive a commission for any sales made through your unique affiliate link. To be successful with affiliate marketing on TikTok, you'll need to carefully choose the products or services you promote and make sure they align with your niche and audience. You can also make money on TikTok by creating your own merchandise. You can create your own designs and sell them on platforms like Redbubble or Teespring. You can also create your own courses or ebooks and sell them on your website. Finally, don't forget about TikTok's own in-app features that allow creators to monetize their content. TikTok's Creator Fund allows users to monetize their content through advertising, brand partnerships, and other opportunities. In summary, making money on TikTok requires a sizable following and a consistent posting schedule, as well as a good engagement rate. There are many ways to monetize your account, such as sponsored content, affiliate marketing, creating your own merchandise, or using TikTok's Creator Fund. Now that you know the basics, you can start experimenting with different strategies and see what works best for you. Happy TikTok-ing!